Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing unboxing for all my Christmas shopping that I did for this year. Unfortunately, the main component to arrange all my things is not here yet. I'm waiting and it doesn't look like it's going to come before Christmas, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and unbox all these because I'm excited and I want to show you all before the Christmas. It looks like I've got the paper too. Thank God they had those papers. More papers. And the strap. And then there is a pouch. Here. This Sigma 24 to 70 mm F2.8 DG DN lens comes with a hood, case and a strap. I have this Sony 18 to 105 mm wide-angle telephoto lens for the size comparison. I must say the Sigma lens feels quite heavy and looks a bit huge. The Sigma lens DG DN here is designed for mirrorless cameras, which would mean that it would rely on camera's built-in optical stabilization and also would produce less noise while shooting. Before buying this, I actually looked up quite a few other budget-friendly lenses for an amateur vlogger like myself, and I found this particular lens to be highly recognized for its rigid build quality and also produces a sound quality images and videos. Lastly, I got this for €900 from eInfinity. If you'd like to get it, I can leave the links down below. So this here is something very special. I think it's a treat for any vlogger or any photographer because this is something we all need because our hands are shaky, and especially for a girl like me whose hand is like almost roller coaster ride every time I hold a camera or anything. So this is gimbal, and even to buy one gimbal I had to look for so many YouTube views and reviews and feedbacks because like there were so many options that I wanted to buy, and well, I got this one. So on top of my head, three names comes in my mind. One is DJI and Weebill and what was the last one? Fayutech. But then I ended up buying this one, which I'm going to show you if you're ready. So I'm excited as always. Knife is ready. Let's go ahead. So I always feel like I cut through the box than the tape itself, but who cares? I'm all about the boxes. And so the gimbal I bought was, drumroll, and that is DJI RSC2. Here's the prized gimbal for this year, for this Christmas 2020, something I deserve, I guess. I like to unwrap the new boxes, so let's go ahead and do this. There you are, the ultimate unboxing therapy, as we all like to call it. So here it begins, the real unboxing. Uh-oh. It comes this way and opens this way, and so these are all the accessories for the gimbal, and it looks quite compact The gimbal itself is foldable, that would require very less space for storage. Now to go ahead with the components here, the first one is tripod. It looks like it's made of plastic, but quite sturdy one. Second is the mounting plate. This is the Manfrotto style plate with Arca Swiss plate on top that can be released to hook the camera. This is the USB charging cable with USB-C port and couple of cables to hook the camera with the gimbal. This is the lens support and couple of screws to support the lens. The battery is integrated and supports fast charging with 14 hours runtime, which needs to be tested. And this has 3 USB-C ports. Everything is here, but I might require some time to assemble all these to make it look like an actual gimbal. I've watched many videos, but still, I'd need to get my hands on to know how easy or difficult it may be. There, I finally fixed it, and you may notice that there is some difference in the video quality now because I've fixed my camera in this gimbal, because as I told you in the beginning, my camera did not arrive, and that's a sad part. So I'm using my S20 to record right now, and I've just done password, and I've just done the whole thing. It's fixed and it says the balance test is excellent. So I'm quite happy and proud that I was able to fix it with little help. So to go with this gimbal and the lens, I actually ordered Sony A7C, but since it did not arrive, I'm using my old camera, Sony A6400, and the lens I'm using is Sigma 24 to 70 mm F2.8. And since now I've fixed it, it looks quite sturdy and it has a good focus. As you can see, it does not really move. And to someone who has hand like that moves like a roller coaster ride while shooting anything, this is awesome. Look, it doesn't move and it has very good focus. So, but yeah, it's going to make me tired very soon, so I don't know how well I'm going to carry this to places, but it is exciting. Yeah, I also wanted to show you how I started this journey. This is failed tech gimbal that I bought around 3 years back, and I used it until a while, but now since I have this, I don't think I'll be going back to this. And I'm quite happy with the gimbal. It looks quite sturdy and wow, it is heavy, so I'm excited. And I hope you liked my video, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like the work I do, please consider to subscribe. It'll help me a lot and to grow my channel, of course. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. Bye bye.
Links.
I am ready. Off on it.